Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Wahid. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Iduzia. The entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin Thalatha. Sovereign of the day of recompense. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'inu ruba'in. It is you we worship and you we ask for help. And Ihdina Siratul Mustaqim Bang. Guide us to the straight path. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim. The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Not of those who have evoked your anger or of those who are astray. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين. This is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those conscious of Allah. الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون. Who believe in the unseen, establish prayer, and spend out of what we have provided for them. والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون. And who believe in what has been revealed to you, O Muhammad, and what was revealed before you, and of the hereafter they are certain, in faith.